So before we had drones, we would send someone out to count all the empty locations or all the full pallets. So I'd have to print out a report, give them a report, and have them go look at, however many locations, and they had to go to each location and look at that. Now that required their time, it required equipment. Somebody would have to physically go count thousands of locations. I can run the drones, I can run the missions, and I can narrow that down to probably less than 50 locations typically that we have to actually go look at. The number of locations we can do a day will vary based on what we need to do. If we ran the drone full out for an 8-hour day, it's around 3,500 locations that we can count and review in a single day. By using the drone, it allows you to accomplish more on a daily basis, so I think you're able to keep up on top of things quicker, basically discovering issues as soon as they happen. I think the knowledge, or general knowledge of in the warehouse that this is being done, that we're looking at this stuff, there's no arguing. A picture is the picture. It's not someone saying something's there and they're at the wrong location or they're looking at the wrong thing. There's an image attached with it. But it just kind of allows us a little more proof in what we're saying as far as things are where they're supposed to be or they're not where they're supposed to be. But it allows us to count far more locations on a daily basis.